guys, are you ready to learn your letters and sounds? Let's do this. We're going to learn hand signals to help us remember letters and sounds. So get ready with your hands, get ready with your eyes, and let's learn letters and sounds. We're going to start with the very first one. Do you know what letter that is? If you said A, you are correct. Do you know what sound it makes? If you said ah, you are correct again. If not, we're going to learn it now. So A, ah. It's the letter A, and it says ah. Our hand signal is going to look just like that A. Make a tent with your hands, and then put your thumbs for that middle line. See that? Make the tent and put your thumbs. A, ah. What letter is it? A. What sound does it make? Ah. A, ah. This is the lowercase a. It also says ah. But we're going to make our hand signals like the capital letters so that it's a little easier to form with our hands. Let's go to the next letter. Do you know what letter that is? It's a B. How many people said that? Do you know what sound it makes? Buh. Now for our signal, we're going to do a big belly that's sucked in by a belt. See the belt right there? So that big belly got squeezed in. So we're going to go B, buh. Okay? B, buh. So we go B for the top part, buh for the second. B, buh. That's a B, and it says buh. All right, letter number 3. Here we go. Do you know what letter that is? C. Do you know what sound it makes? K. Can you make a C, K, with your hand? Make sure you have it going the right direction. What letter is that? It's a C, K. C, and it says K. So far we have A, ah. Do it with me. Ready for the B? B, buh. Ready? C, K. And it's just like a coffee cup. So notice, I have T, but notice how we have this little handle. It looks just like a C, doesn't it? For cup. C, K for cup. Or coffee too. So there you go, C, K. Now ready? Daddy has a big belly and he forgot his belt. So D, duh, is a big belly with no belt. D, and it says duh. Do you know what letter this is? It's an E. See how we're going to do 3 across like that? E. What sound does it make? Eh. 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 The lowercase e, you can see Granny with her hand around her ear saying eh, eh, because she can't hear very well. So that's E, eh. Let's go through the first 5 and see if you can do it. Ready? A, ah. B, buh. C, K. D, duh. 3 across. E, eh. Did you get all 5? If you did, you're ready to move on. If not, pause this video, go back, and keep practicing until you can keep up. Here we go for the next one. This one has 2 across. It's F, and it says F. F, 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 F. So that's F. Do you know what this one is? It's almost like the C, right? It has that same coffee cup handle, but then notice it has this line that comes in. That is G, and it says G. G, G. Can you make your hand like the coffee cup symbol, the C, and then can you use your other hand and stick that line in and make it say G, 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 G. Remember, use your one hand just like the C, but then your other hand comes in for that little line right there. G, 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 G. Now H, this is H, and it says H, H. So I'm going to put my 2 pointer fingers together and straighten up all the others. This might be hard for you to make, but try your best. H, 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 H. All right, this letter, do you know what it is? It's an I. Do you know what it says? Eh. And see the ice cream falling off? It's about to splat on the ground, so we say icky, right? Icky. So I says I. Now for the capital I, you're not going to be able to see my feet, but I'm putting them straight out like that. And then my arms straight out at the top. I am a person. I. So remember, arms straight out, feet straight out, straight up and down. I. And then this one, I like to make my finger dip into the jelly. J. And it says J. 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 Let's see if you can remember these 5 so far. Ready? F. F. And then remember, make your C and put the line in. G. G. Now, get your pointer fingers together, straight up. H. H. Straight out for this one. I. And then dip your finger in the jelly. J. 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 Did you get all those? If you can stick with me from the beginning, then you're ready to keep going. If not, pause the video, go back and review till you can do them all. Let's see if we can do all of them from A to J. Are you ready? Make your tent. A. Time for the big bellies. B. Coffee cup handle. C. Big Daddy. D. 3 across. E. 2 across. F. Make your C, stick the line in. G. H. Straight out with your feet and your arms. I. And dip your finger. J. Excellent job. Very good. Keep watching, keep learning. We're almost halfway through. Great job. All right, we've got K. Look at his mouth. He's hungry. K. This is K, and he says K. He's always hungry. See his mouth? It's a big mouth with the capital K and a small mouth for the lowercase k, but they open and close. L. Can you put your hand like that? One straight up and your thumb straight out. L. That's L, and it says L. L. Now M, I do 3 down because see how that part's going down? So we have the 2 on the outside and then the 1 tip at the bottom. So it's like this. M, and it says M. And then 2 down for the end. See, we have 2 lines here, and it has the diagonal down, but it doesn't have the 3rd one in the middle, so it's just 2, just kind of like the lowercase one. So N, and it says N. And see how it's kind of like a nut that got opened by a squirrel? That's N. And then I love O. O, make a big circle over your head and open your mouth wide like you're at the doctor or the dentist and say, oh. Make sure it's O and it says, oh, just like you're at the dentist or the doctor. O, ah. If you want a small one, you can do a small one. O, ah. All right, how'd you do with those 5? Let's review. K, L, 3 down, M, 2 down, N, and the circle. O, ah, O, ah. Make sure you open up your throat and your mouth. All right, we made it through 3 lines. We only have 2 full ones and 1 little extra to go. You are doing great, but if you need a chance to review, go ahead and pause, Go back, review what you need to review, and then when you're ready, keep going. Here we go. P, this is P, and it says puh. And I always think of it like here's a string of a balloon, and here's the balloon, and it might pop, 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 pop if you poke it. So this is P, and we're going to put the circle on it, P, puh. So you have the line, and you have the circle. P, puh, P, puh. All right, and then Q is basically your O, right? But it has a line through it. So I'm gonna make an O with my hand, and I'm gonna stick this little line in it and make a Q. See that? Q, qua, Q, qua. And that's the queen. And her face always comes first for the lowercase letter. And then imagine her crown on her head. And she likes her hair to be straight so that it doesn't tickle her chin. Or she likes to curl it behind her so it won't get in her face or tickle her chin. So that's also Q, and it says qua. But when we do the hand signals, we're gonna make the big one and stick that little line in. Q, qua, Q, qua. Now R, I don't know how to do the capital for that, so I just make my hand straight here, and then I curve it over like that, like the small R. So R, R, R. Make sure you don't say for this. R is R, R, R. A quick R, R, R. Okay, R is R, not E-R-I-R and U-R say so please don't say R is R, R, R. Okay, so we've got that one. S is a lot of fun. Make your S in the air. Make it just like a snake. S, S. This is S, and it says S, S. Okay, S, and they both look alike. Just one is tall and one is short. And then this one's very fun. Time out. T-ta for time out. This is T, and it says ta. Put one hand straight up and the other hand right on the top. T-ta. That's your T. What does it say? Ta. Good. T-ta. All right. How'd you do with these 5? Do you feel pretty confident? Let's see if you can do them. Here we go. We've got P, pa. We have Q, qua. Make your R straight up with your hand and then bend your fingers over. R, R, R. S, S. Draw your big S in the air. S, S. And then remember, T, ta for time out. T, ta. All right, we're almost to the end. If you need a break, pause it, go back and review or take your break, and I'll see you for the next 5 as soon as you're ready. Here we go. U. What does U say? U is like, I would say he's getting punched in the stomach. See how a fist could go right in there? He says, oh, like that. So U, poor you. Oh, why'd you punch me? You, Or you can say, you like to smile. See how it's like a smile? So you, Or you could say, you was smiling until he got, punched in the stomach. You, So in any case, make your hand so that it rounds on the bottom. And that's you, just like a smiley face. You, But remember, he gets punched in the stomach and he says, like that. Now V, see its wings? That's the vulture. Viva. We're going to make this one pointy. We don't want it like the U. We want it pointy, like the V. Viva. This is letter V. It says V. And remember, he's pointy. Kind of erased him with my finger. I'll just draw him right back. V. V. And those are like vulture wings flying, right? V. V. Now this should be called a double V, right? But sometimes people make it like a double U, like that. And that's where it gets its name from. It is a W. Can you say W? Do you know what it says? W, w, w. Now, I'm going to do 3 up. Remember, M was 3 down, right? But W is 3 up. So make sure you put your fingers straight up for this one. W, 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 W. And then this one, you know what that letter is? It's an X. And you know what an X says? This one's kind of hard to say. Some people struggle with it, but I'm going to help you so you can say it. It says X. X. Can you say that? If you can't, try it like this. Say K and then put a S. It's kind of like a K and an S. K, S, K, S. And then you stick them together. K, S. So you go K, S, K, S. So X is a letter and K, S is the sound. X, K, S. All right, and then we have Y, and see how his arms are up in the air? He's standing here, he's like, why do I have to do all the work? Why? See, I'm the straight up is that part, and then the arms, why? So Y, this is the letter Y, and he says, yeah. Why do I have to do all the work? Why? And then let's go ahead and put our last letter on. And that's Z. And do you know what it says? Z. And just draw it in the air. Z, Z. I love that one. Z, go straight across, come swooping down, go back across again. So he's like, run away, slide back, haha, can't catch me, run away. Z, Z. All right, let's see if we can do these last ones. We had U, U, and then make it pointy. V, 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 V. And then do 3 up and down. W, 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 W. And then remember this one? X, 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 X. And then do you remember that one with the arms right? Well, blah, 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 with the arms straight up in the air? Y, yeah. Why do I have to do all the work? Why? And then this one, draw it in the air. Z, 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 Z. So there you go. We've made it to the end. Let's see if we can do all of them. Are you ready? If you don't think you're ready, go back and review. Otherwise, let's do it. All right, start here. A, ready? B, ba, ready? C, ka, ready? D, da, ready? E, ready? F, ready? G, ga, ready? H, ready? I, ready? J, ja, get your hand ready. K, ka, ready? L, ready? M, ready? 2 down. N, circle. O, you can do the big one if you want. Ready? P, pa. This one. Q, qua. Get your hand ready. R, Here we go. Draw it in the air. S, T, ta. Here we go. U, make it pointy. V, 3 in the air. W, Here we go. X, oh, one of my favorites. Y. And the last one, Z. Did you make it? Awesome job. Keep practicing till you can name them out of order. So mom or dad, if you're listening, see if you can trick your child. Point to one and see, what letter is that? What sound does it make? What letter is that? What sound does it make? What letter is that? What sound does it make? See if he or she can remember to make the right letter name and sound. So practice, practice, practice. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later.